What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. I'm back with another great video for you. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Excited to have you here. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon affiliate marketing for beginners 2019. This is going to be a step-by-step. So make sure you grab a drink, grab coffee, grab tea, whatever time you're watching this. You guys are going to enjoy this because I'm going to give you a step-by-step on Amazon Affiliate Marketing 2019. So I'm going to show you some ways, some tricks, some hacks, how to get traffic, where to find products, and all that different type of stuff. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And for my regulars, happy to have you here as always. I love you guys for keep watching my videos over and over again. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm also going to be giving away some really cool stuff. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end for you to know exactly what I'm going to be giving away. All right, so let's jump into things. And this is my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and affiliate marketing, work from home. There's tons of different videos. So if this one is not the right one for you, just come through here and just scroll through. I'm sure you're going to find something. So let's dive into things. The very first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have an Amazon account. So sign up for Amazon affiliate. Once you sign up for it, you'll be good to go. And for most people, if you sign up for an affiliate of Amazon, if you don't have any sale with a certain amount of time, of course, they're going to ban your account. Now, here's the difference between some affiliate marketing companies and Amazon. With Amazon will pay you anywhere from, let's say, 3% to 10% or 3 to 7%. It all depends. Other companies like the one that I have in the description down below will pay you anywhere from 40% to 60%. So you get more money on what I have to show you in the description. But for Amazon, if you're starting out as a beginner, this is the way to go. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you pick something that you love, you're passionate about, and you want to dive into. So I just came on a shoe section, and you have shoes, you have clothing, you have jewelry, you have electronics, you have all that type of stuff. Pick something that you enjoy, something that you love. That way you'll have more passion into it, you'll be more consistent, and you'll be like, all right, this is the thing, I like this, so let's just jump into it right away. So here's a step-by-step how to start affiliate marketing with Amazon for beginners, right? So here's a shoe. This shoe is nice. I like it. It's going for like $279. Now, most people will say, well, it's for $279. I don't know anybody who will buy that shoes because the people I don't know, they broke and they start. You got to get out of that broke mentality. This is the internet, and there's people all over the world that will willing to spend money, and it doesn't matter what. So I'm going to show you where to find people, how to share it, how to get traffic, and I'm even going to show you some free method of getting people to buy these stuff as well. Now, do keep in mind, income disclaimer right here. Results aren't typical, so do not be typical. This is going to require work. It's going to require a little bit of your time. So if you're lazy and you don't want to put the work in, you should stop watching this video right now. I'm just going to tell you. Because in order for you to be successful, you got to put work in, you got to put time in, and you just got to be willing to hit the ground running. So we're going to dive into things. Here is the shoe. Now, what you can do, and you want to advertise the shoe, I'll basically just go here and I would just copy all these shoe, right? All these shoe, I'll copy them. I would screenshot them. Once I screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot this right now. I'm going to screenshot. I'm going to show you how it works. All right. So I'm going to get this one. I'm going to get the back as well for this shoe. So I just screenshot. So I'm just going to screenshot this one. And then let me just get all right, there we go. I got a side view. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. Got side view and everything. Boom. Now I have 3 pictures that I can use. Now, I'm not saying you can start off by selling shoe. I'm just saying pick one thing that you love that you can start right away. Now, once you find that specific item that you want to advertise, or you want to build around a niche, let's say you want to build shoe niche or you want to build clothing niche. Now, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to hop over to Facebook. Now, I'm going to use Facebook for this method. Of course, you can use Instagram, you can use Twitter, you can use all different places, but I'm going to use Facebook for this method. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to hop over to Facebook and you want to create a Facebook fan page. Now, once you create a Facebook fan page, just by clicking here, create a page and go for it. I already have a page that I'm going to be using for this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to find it, and then I'm just going to hop over to it right now. So where is it? So I'm just going to use this just for the sake of the video. It's called Treasure Hunt Games, but we're talking about shoes. So it's not, you know what I'm trying to say, right? So here's the thing. I'm going to be using this. Now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to use the pictures that I just screenshotted, right? So I'm going to use the pictures that I just screenshotted. So hang on one second. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to build we call it carousel. So I'm going to build a carousel. Hang on one second. All right. So I'm going to build a carousel. So I'm going to take these pictures and I'm going to upload them. I'm just sliding this over here so I get it. So I got one. Where's the other picture? All right, I'm coming. Stay tuned. Take a sip off that drink that I told you to get in the beginning. All right. All right. So here's one. Here's two. And here is three. All right. So I got them all. Got them all. Got them all. Now I'm back again. All right. So what I'm going to do, there's a couple of things. You can add a message where people can send you a message, like a message button, or you can not add a message button. Now, you can tag this as a product in your post, tag it as a new product. You can put the price if you want, get notification. I'm getting leads as we talk here. Business never stops. You can add the photos here if you want. You could put the name of the shoes, the price, and then this is where you're going to be putting your link. So you're going to put in your Amazon link. So let's say we hop over to Amazon. This is the shoe you want to get, right? You would normally grab your link up here. So you have text and image, you have image. Now you're going to go on text. Now if you click on where it says text, you can shorten it. You can shorten this link. There's a tracking link as well. Or you can use the full version of the link. I always go with the shorter one. So you definitely want to copy this. Once you copy it, you want to go over to good old Facebook. And then you want to add it in here. If you're going to add as product. Now, if you just want to build a carousel, nothing is wrong with that. You could just click down here. You could schedule a post, or you could just go boom and you can post, right? Now you could add text, right? And you want to get some eye-catching headline. Now, I would write something like, this is a really cool shoes. I'm going to be like, hot shoes. Who would wear these? I would even ask engaging questions, right? Who would wear? Who's will wear? Oh my goodness, there we go. See? Sometimes your brain just like not clicking. So I'll be like hot shoes, and I'll put like some emojis just to kind of spice things up. Emojis are very good as well, just so you know, because it gives that attention. Somebody sees an emoji, they're like, what's that? So I'll put hot shoes, maybe in the front, maybe in the back. And then I'll ask a question. Who would wear these shoes? Or do you like these shoes? Even better. So you want to ask questions, because guess what? You're going to want to have some engagement. You want people to like it. You want people to share it. Now, this is a free method that you don't have to spend any money doing. Now, if you want to boost it, feel free to do so. But if you don't know anything about Facebook ads and you're a beginner, don't try to go and start to boost things, because eventually you're just going to waste your money. The better you set up an ad campaign. And again, if you guys want to learn how to do all this kind of stuff, check out the first link in the description. You guys will get like a 15-day challenge where it is absolutely free. Sign up for it, go through the challenge, and you can learn some stuff. All right. So here it is. You can also put your link here, right? Click here to view shoe, right? Put it right there. Put your affiliate link. Grab your link. Once you grab your link, boom, you just throw it on there. You can put it here. And then the next thing you want to do, you just click publish. All right? This is publishing. It's uploading. Now, this is like a really cool shoe. Now, look at this. You're asking questions. Hot shoes, would you like these? Now, what I would do, I would share this on my timeline. And then when I share it on my timeline, what I would write, I would say, guys, these shoes are awesome. Would you wear them? And what happened is your friends are going to see it and they're going to be like, yeah, this is good. This is cool. And then eventually somebody's going to click on here. So when they click on it, it's just going to go back to the shoe. Now they're going to come here. Some people will probably buy, some people don't. And if you know anything about Amazon, Amazon has cookie. So when someone clicks on this link, they are going to be cookied. And cookied mean they're your customers for a certain period of time. So I don't know if it's 24 hours, it's 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. But this is what I'm talking about. You can create fan pages around different specific niches. Post them, engage them, share them on your timeline. Share them in different Facebook groups. There's nothing wrong. Share them in there. Because guess what? You just want people to be clicking on your link, because eventually somebody's going to go on Amazon, they're going to buy something. And then when they buy, you're going to get a commission from it. So we're using reverse psychology here. So I hope you guys are getting the logics behind this. I hope this helps. And I just wanted to share with you, because there's a lot of people out there that you can start this and you can use this method to fund your business. I know there's a lot of business out there that you would like to get involved with, but start here. Start getting your business going. Start to put things out there. Build a fan page around your niche. Share it so people can see it and start to participate. Now look at these screenshot pages. You could have never tell, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. And the bonus that I'm talking about, I'm going to be giving away $50. So I'm going to be giving away $50. But here's how you're going to get this $50, right? The first thing you have to do, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. The next thing you have to do, you have to go over to my Instagram account. My Instagram account is called Andre Network, ANDRE Network. Once you follow me, you're going to need to comment YouTube. Once you comment YouTube, I know that you watch this video, and then I'm going to give it a month from shooting this video. So on February 26th, I'm going to be giving away $50. And I'm going to keep reminding you as you go along. So it's going to go straight to your PayPal. I'm just going to pick a random winner. So 2 things. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you already subscribed, that's great. Just put in the comments Amazon affiliate, and I'm just going to randomly pick people from this specific video. So let me know, and then go to my go to my Instagram account and follow me, Andre Network. So my last photo make sure you put YouTube. Then I'm going to put everybody in, and then I'm going to give away $50 to someone straight in your PayPal account on February 26th. So that's where it's going to be given away. February 26th, 2019. So if you watch this video 5 years from now, it's already gone. I'll probably be giving away more things and better prizes by then. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy, Andre. I'm out.